Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add noise on your photos in the Pixlr app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Choose one photo that you want to edit. After choosing the photo, now to add the noise. Now here you can find the option of tools. Now go ahead and select it. Then here you can find the option of glitch. Simply tap on it. One thing to remember, there is no direct option to add the noise on your photos, but you can add it by using the glitch effect. Now choose one of these to add the noise, just like this. Adjust the size and amount of the noise or glitch effect on your photo just like this. Now you can see the noise has been added. And that's it. This is how you can add the noise in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.